How much income do you need to buy a home in San Jose? San Jose is an expensive market, but you don't need $1 million income to own a home here. Stay with me, and you'll know exactly how much income you need to achieve your dream home in San Jose. Discover the top reasons to invest in San Jose real estate. San Jose has a Mediterranean climate with warm sunshine year-round, little rain, and no snow. This makes daily life, outdoor activities, and energy savings much easier. That's also why San Jose is consistently ranked among the most livable cities in California. A stable climate helps maintain strong housing demand and steady property values. According to Zillow Research 2025, areas with mild year-round climates like the Bay Area tend to have home prices from 30 to 40% higher than regions with harsher weather. In terms of employment, BLS 2025 reports that the San Jose, Sunnyvale, Santa Clara area has over 1.02 million workers. The average wage is $97.71 per hour, about 1.7 times the national average. According to Fred data, San Jose's unemployment rate is around 4.8%, significantly lower than California's historical average of about 6%. San Jose is also the heart of Silicon Valley, home to major tech companies like Apple, Google, and Adobe. This keeps housing demand from tech professionals consistently strong. According to the San Francisco Chronicle in July 2025, the entire San Jose area has only about 330 homes considered affordable for median-income households. This limited supply strengthens price stability and gives long-term advantages to homeowners. U.S. News 2025 ranks San Jose among the top 5 best places to live in California, thanks to safety, pleasant climate, and high-quality education and healthcare systems. The city is also investing heavily in public transportation, including DTA light rail and the BART expansion connecting directly to San Francisco. Owning a home in San Jose means owning a premium living environment with continuously upgraded infrastructure. So, is now the right time to enter the San Jose market? San Jose real estate market, is now the right time to buy? According to Redfin data, the median home price in San Jose October 2025 is $1.45 million, up 2.7% year-over-year. Although San Jose is expensive, it remains significantly more affordable than Sunnyvale at $1.83 million and Mountain View at $1.88 million. At the same time, it is still close to major tech job centers, helping buyers manage down payment requirements and optimize their DTI. San Jose also has a strong long-term appreciation history. According to the FHFA HPI Index in 2025, home prices in this area have increased more than 5.6 times over the past 30 years, reflecting the resilience of property values in this tech hub. Within the city itself, downtown San Jose has an average price between $1 and $1.03 million for houses or condos, making it more accessible for first-time buyers. In other words, San Jose offers multiple price tiers for buyers to enter and upgrade over time. So who is San Jose suitable for? It fits people with stable income and jobs in Silicon Valley, or those who want to live close to tech employment centers. It's also ideal for long-term homeowners or long-term investors who plan to hold for 5 to 10 years or more. Since prices are already high and growth is steady, rapid appreciation may be slower than in lower-priced regions. Therefore, this market suits buyers who understand long-term strategy. However, according to NBC Bay Area 2025, the Bay Area is ranked among the least hot markets this year due to high prices and limited supply. This means buyers must prepare strong finances, accept higher costs, and carefully select locations with advantages such as transportation access, good schools, and strong amenities to reduce risk. Must-know costs when buying a home in San Jose. When owning a home in San Jose, you must consider property tax, approximately 1.25% of home value per year, home insurance, around 0.2% per year, maintenance and utilities, about 0.5% of home value. Reserve funds, 3 to 6 months of living expenses to demonstrate financial capacity. If your down payment is under 20%, you'll also need PMI ranging from 0.3% to 1.5% annually. Costs of buying a home in San Jose you can't ignore. For example, if you buy a $1.45 million home and put 20% down, that's $290,000. You would borrow $1,160,000 at 6% interest for 30 years. Your estimated monthly costs would include P&I, $6,954.79. Property tax, $1,510.42. Home insurance, $241.67. Total monthly housing cost is $8,706.87. The qualified income you need to secure a home loan in San Jose. With a maximum DTI of 50%, a monthly cost of $8,706.87 means you need a minimum monthly income of $17,413.74, equivalent to $208,964.88 per year. You must also factor in other debts such as credit cards, auto loans, or student loans. All monthly obligations are added together and then doubled to estimate the income required to qualify. Unlock your dream San Jose house with easy loan assistance. To reduce financial pressure when buying in San Jose, you can consider several support programs. First is CalHFA, California Housing Finance Agency. This statewide program supports first-time homebuyers and may assist with down payment and closing costs, provided you complete the required homebuyer education course. If you are purchasing in San Jose within Santa Clara County, you can consider the Empower Homebuyers SCC program from Housing Trust Silicon Valley. This program offers a deferred down payment loan with no monthly payments. Requirements include owner occupancy, completing education, and income below 120% of area median income. Since funds are limited, applying early is important. There is also the Home Access program in the Bay Area, which may provide up to 40% of the purchase price, capped at around $200,000 in some cases. It applies to first-time buyers with income below 80% AMI and requires a minimum 3% down payment. In addition, federal programs include FHA loans with 3.5% down payment, VA loans with zero down for eligible veterans, and conventional programs like Home Ready and Home Possible. Home Ready, offered by Fannie Mae, allows 3% down payment with lower PMI compared to standard conventional loans. It also offers flexible income qualification, allowing income from household members in certain cases. It suits first-time buyers with income up to 120% AMI. Home Possible, offered by Freddie Mac, also requires only 3% down and often has even lower PMI. It is designed for buyers with income below 80% AMI and helps reduce monthly costs while increasing approval chances. Expert tips for buying real estate in San Jose, California. Always verify your real borrowing capacity before touring homes. Don't guess how much you can afford. Let a lender or mortgage professional calculate based on your income, debts, credit score, and loan type. Getting pre-approved helps you understand your realistic price range, estimated monthly payment, and whether financial adjustments are needed. A strong pre-approval also makes your offer more competitive in a tight market like San Jose. In an expensive and supply-constrained market like San Jose, you should think long-term, ideally 5 to 10 years. Instead of focusing only on price, consider location factors such as proximity to BART, DTA light rail, major freeways, tech hubs, and good schools. These elements help maintain value, improve rental potential, and increase resale flexibility. San Jose is a supply-constrained market. Prices rarely drop significantly. Typically, they adjust slightly with interest rate cycles and then continue trending upward. If your finances are ready, buying sooner may be better than waiting. Finally, work with a knowledgeable expert who understands San Jose and the Bay Area. They can guide you on neighborhoods, loan programs, and competitive yet safe offer strategies. The right professional helps you avoid costly mistakes and optimize your purchase based on your financial goals and family plans. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Real estate and mortgage broker Danguard, with experience in over 1,000 loan applications and real estate transactions, aims to provide you with useful and general knowledge about this field. For advice on each specific case, please contact via email or website provided below the video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the latest information from Danguard.